Hey everyone. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to fix your desktop background turning black, or those annoying black boxes around your icons on Windows 10 or Windows 11. This usually happens because Windows Explorer stops working properly, but don't worry, the fix is super simple. All you need to do is open PowerShell as administrator and type this command: stop-process-processName Explorer. I will put the command in the video description below, then press enter. Your desktop might go blank for a second, but don't panic. It's just restarting Windows Explorer. After that, your desktop should reload normally, and the black background or boxes around icons should disappear right away. That's it. No restart, no complicated settings. Just one simple command. If this helped you, please give the video a like, subscribe for more quick Windows fixes, and comment below if it worked for you. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next guide.